happy birthday to me. That's the mascot. Brown University. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Say happy birthday to me. And I'm never telling you how old I'm turning, but yes. Anyways, तो रात में कुछ नहीं किया because adulting. बस कुछ नहीं, केक काटा, वो भी 12 बजे नहीं काटा because adulting. लोगों के फोन एक आध लोगों के जो है वही उठाए, and that's my husband. He's driving today. We are going to Rhode Island. हाँ,
I cannot see, but
hello
guys.
So we are going to Rhode Island. बीच में हम एक स्टॉप लेंगे. कमान अपने कॉन्वोकेशन के टाइम पे यहाँ नहीं था because हमारी शादी थी. So he was in India. तो उसका कॉन्वोकेशन मिस हो गया था. तो the first stop is convocating him today. तो पहले हम लोग अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी पे रुक रहे हैं जहाँ के हम लोग पढ़े हुए हैं, जहाँ से हमने मास्टर्स करी. दैट्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कनेटिकट. तो हम वहाँ पे रुकेंगे और कमान का फोटो शूट करेंगे एंड देन विल हेड टू प्रोविडेंस, दैट्स इन रोड आइलैंड, एंड देन विल हैव सम डिनर. आई थिंक आज तो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे. और एक्चुअली ना बहुत, मैं तो रोड आइलैंड गई हुई हूँ, कमान नहीं गया है, तो मोस्टली उसी के लिए ही जा रहे हैं और थोड़ा नया हो जाएगा. एंड I just want to keep it light, mostly dine by the बार हार्बर जो भी है, बाय द बीच जो भी है, बस बीच के आसपास थोड़ा सा टहलना, थोड़ा सा सिटी टहलना, बस इतना ही करना. बहुत बिल्कुल भी हेक्टिक नहीं रखना है. मोस्टली बस ऐसे ही बस टहलने जा रहे हैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग फॉर द वीकेंड बिकॉज मुझे ड्राइव नहीं करना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव अ न्यू ड्राइवर. ही इज द वन हू इज ड्राइविंग. ऑल्सो आई डिड माई नेल्स गाइज येस्टरडे. मैंने स्टिक ऑन नेल्स लिए थे $5-6 के, एंड दैट्स हाउ दे लुक अमेजिंग. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड विल कीप यू पोस्टेड. Quick lunch break. Guys, just showing you where I did my masters from, UConn. गाइज यहाँ पे ना यूएस में कैंपसेस इतने बड़े बड़े से होते हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े से कॉलेजेस होते हैं. इट्स लाइक अ सिटी ऑलमोस्ट. और कैंपस के अंदर यू विल फाइंड एवरीथिंग, राइट फ्रॉम डेयरी टू 7-8 डाइनिंग हॉल्स टू डॉर्म्स टू रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर. स्टेडियम्स भी होते हैं, सिमेट्री भी होती है, सब होता है यहाँ पे कैंपसेस में. दे आर ह्यूज. दे आर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द साइज ऑफ अ सिटी हियर. Guys, and that's the UConn's mascot, and the mascot is husky, and we have a statue of Jonathan right in the middle of the campus. जब कभी ऐसे कॉन्वोकेशन वगैरह होता है ना, तो हस्की जो उस टाइम के करंट, अभी तो आई थिंक 16 या 17 हस्की चल रहा है, जॉनथन. एंड फिर वो आ करके ना पूरे जितना भी स्टेडियम में राउंड लगाता है हस्की. That's the mascot. हेलो गाइज. और अभी इसका कॉन्वोकेशन करने वाले हैं. अपने कॉन्वोकेशन पे था नहीं, तो उसकी बस मैं फोटो सेशन कराने के लिए लेकर के आई हूँ. सो ये मेरा गाउन पहन रहा है. मैं इससे पहले की ग्रेजुएट हूँ, मैं इसकी सीनियर थी यहाँ पे. गाइज कॉन्वोकेशन सेशन चल रहा है. कैसे खिंचाने वाले हो, कैसे कूद के. गाइज देख लो, हाथ पैर तोड़ेगा ये अपने. द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आई हूँ यूकॉन डेयरी की आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे ना कॉलेजेस का सब कुछ रहता है, सब कुछ, मतलब दे हैव देयर ओन डेयरी, देयर ओन फार्मेसी, मतलब हॉस्पिटल हेल्थ वगैरह भी पूरा इतना रहता है. बट कभी आए नहीं, तो अब मैं आज पहली बार आ रही हूँ. चॉकलेट ब्राउनी फज एंड ओरियो मिल्क शेक फ्रॉम यूकॉन डेयरी. और साइन मिल गया. मैंने ना लास्ट टाइम अपने कॉन्वोकेशन पे यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफ नहीं खिंचवाई थी, तो आज आ गई हूँ खिंचवाने के लिए. लोकेशन ये to an Airbnb. There are a lot of other guests also, but it's a beautiful place. So let me just show you how it looks like. And I'm only showing you a room, okay? So this, they've given a chair and an ottoman, and this, it's a very cozy space. and I'll show you how the first floor looks like when I go down. Stairs हमारे रूम के लिए धीरे बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे ना और सारे गेस्ट भी हैं. What a beautiful area. Oh, books if you want to read. More books. And then there's another bathroom if you want to use. There's a kitchen and a couch. Birthday dinner ready. इधर दिखाओ.
Hello.
ODD. I'll just do an ODD check in some time.
खाना चेक ले लो फिर खाना खाते हैं.
Guys, day 2 of our Roadland बता रही हूँ, Rhode Island की trip. We are all ready. It's 11 a.m. We've checked out of our Airbnb. This was the Airbnb. अब जा रहे हैं. बहुत ही happenings जगह थी. इतनी happenings थी that we forgot to record dinner last night. We just have a little bit of snippets and that I'm gonna add. But for today, this is how beautiful the day looks. And we are twinning. I'm wearing green, he's wearing green. He's wearing green and white. This is how beautiful the street looks like. Oh wow. And there are like cafes. We literally walked just for 1 minute and there are like breakfast spots everywhere on the street. This is Providence, Rhode Island. Came to a vegan place. And that says मैं वहाँ पे खा नहीं पाया because I want to have a vegetarian burger मिला नहीं. So we are going to this place now. Most beautiful graffiti ever, Ganesh ji. Graffiti is the logo of this cafe. I'm gonna be posting the name of this cafe on, like, I'll tag the name. Yeah, this is where we entered because the second one was occupied. First one we didn't like, and this is the third one. I hope the food is good. This is how it looks. This is the name of the cafe.
Oh.
Shasti. Food, ये कोई Mediterranean salad है, and this is something vegetarian, but that's how it looks. ये गणेश जी हैं, तो ये देखो यहाँ पे भी हाथी रखा हुआ है. इनके डेकोर में भी हर जगह को दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ पे भी देखो पीछे हाथी रखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, जितने भी लोग हैं उन लोगों ने जो टी-शर्ट्स पहनी है, they also have गणेश जी. और यहाँ पे देखना हर हाथी के रखे हुए हैं. The street is so pretty and every house, like there is a cafe or a restaurant at the bottom of every building. Wow. Heading to the Brown University. This is somewhere around the campus. Yes, I'll just show you more about it, okay? Welcome to the Brown University. So this birthday, my husband promised me to take me to all the places where I could have never been to, even in my wildest dreams, okay? So the first stop is Brown University, and second, he's telling me that he'll take me to Yale. So he's keeping his promises, huh? Welcome to the Brown University. A part of Brown. Wow. Yes, that's the foil paper, guys. They've made it using the foil papers. This is one of the main gates. Stop 2, Providence River Broadwalk. Oh, such a pretty place. And then they have something going on over there. A lot of cafes and things to grab. And this is the boardwalk. It's beautiful. This should be the boardwalk because it's board here, guys. अभी उधर जा रहे हैं. वहाँ पे ना they have like some stalls. They're selling some clothes and let's see what all they are selling. This is the Providence River. Oh god, this is one more. This is like a bridge connecting the two sides. And that's me. It's a little windy. In the morning it was very sunny. We were expecting it to rain today and yesterday too, but today, oh wow. But it's a little windy, so it's nice. It's actually beautiful. If it's sunny, the sun was really hot. harsh in the morning, but right now it's very comfortable. Guys, this is the vibe. I wanted to give you a vibe check. Right next to the river. And there we have some stalls for clothing. Let's see how the clothes are. I'm gonna shop something. Let's see what can we find. They have some clothing, they have some carpets over here. They have some shop earrings. So they have some handbags over here. Let me check out some bags, these crochet bags. Some show pieces. Let's check out some toys. He's trying to give me a gift. उसको दूसरी उंगली में डालो. It's tight. तो निकालो ना. अटक गई है. It's a beautiful thing. They have like some jewelry also. So.
पिंकी तो
They have like zipper also. What's the price of this bag? Hey, what's the price of this bag? 45. I want to put this bag. This is also 45, right? Guys, we got this. I'll show you in the car. What did I get? And these are the other shops. You can have like something customized. Oh, customized key. So guys, the stall part is over. Those were the only number of stalls, and I got something. I got that bag. She was initially telling me for $45, but I got it for $35. Nice things to see. And then we are leaving. So this is what I got from that market. It's a bag. She initially mentioned a higher amount, but I was able to bargain for $10. Bargained the $10 and got it for some price. And this is like a handmade crochet bag. The zipper is really sturdy, and then they have some leather. It's like a good quality material. Seems like a good quality material. And then it's a basic. And then they have some leather in the bottom, and they have 4 stands also, 4 legs for the bag. So which is a cool thing. I think I will use it. There were other bags that I was liking, the sunflower ones, but I thought I would not use those bags as much. And then if I stop using it, I can just keep some stuff in it, use it as my makeup pouch or something, right? That would be very handy. So I was initially hoping I could get these in the sunflower ones, but then they didn't have those options. So I got this one, and now over to the next stop. Guys, we are at Yale. पहले खाना खाएंगे. We are going to this Indian restaurant, Sher Khan, and everywhere it's mentioned about this restaurant. Let's see what's the hype about. Huh? I'm vlogging in English right now. He's supposed to talk in English. But भाई बहुत सुंदर है यार तो. इतनी आती थी मैं. Oh boy, that's Yale. खाना आना शुरू हो गया है. फर्स्ट चीज़ जो आनी शुरू हुई है दिखाती हूँ. Express mojito and badam milk. Set of food, chole bhature and pav bhaji. Lala cha raha isko. We're waiting for the third thing. We also ordered some hakka noodles and then this. There are some like shops. It's the Yale shopping area. Guys, such a beautiful campus. It looks straight out of movies. Guys, it's a beautiful campus. And it's a huge campus. We are definitely not going through the entire campus. Guys, I'm using a tripod today and I'm really loving it. Using the tripod to even record the videos. I was learning gimbal, then I stopped learning it. Now it's just a small tripod. That was for the birthday vlog. And now we are heading home. We are done, very tired. And from tomorrow we have offices also. Tomorrow I'm fasting also, so we have to be at home on time and then make our food, eat it, and then be ready for tomorrow for work. So that's all for this vlog. If you like it, please, if you like the vlog and if you like to watch such content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.